Rodenticides, or rat poison, can harm the ecosystem by direct consumption or secondary poisoning. Secondary poisoning happens when predators eat poisoned rats, and the poison gets distributed up the food chain. Barn owls primarily eat rats, making them nature's safest pest control. A single owl family can consume up to 3,000 rats in a year. That's why we install nest boxes to invite these hunters into rice fields and oil palm plantations to reduce rat damage sustainably. Subscribe to BORG USM for more scientific insights and fascinating facts about barn owls.